Hi, I'm Maggie, a broker with Realty Austin, and I'd like to take you on a tour of the Vistas. The Vistas are a group of adjoining neighborhoods in Northwest Austin named Vista West, Vista Ridge, and Vista North. Located just east of Loop 360, running along a ridge with Valburn Drive and Valburn Circle, approximately 20 minutes to downtown Austin. Originally, the land that is now Rico Cove was the gated estate of Bill Milburn, the developer of the original Vista West neighborhood. Many families like to park at the intersection of Valburn Drive and Ladera Norte and watch the fireworks display on July the 4th. Home styles in the area range from mid-century modern to country French to Spanish to classic ranch-style homes. Most of the homes in the area were custom built, and many of the mid-century modern homes were designed by local architect Pat Fitzpatrick. Median price, mid-500s. Schools in the neighborhood are ranked amongst some of the best in the city. Doss Elementary was ranked as a Blue Ribbon School from 1995 to 2010. Murchison Middle School received a score of recognized from this past year's standardized testing and also as a participant in the IB program or International Baccalaureate program. L.C. Anderson High School is also an IB school and was ranked number 474 in Newsweek's list of best schools in the United States. The Vistas boast panoramic views of the hill country, which overlook the Bull Creek Preserve, stretching for 6.5 miles between Highway 2222 and the 360 area. The Bull Creek Preserve additionally provides Bull Creek Park and its extensive hiking trails. The Vistas also back up to the Barrow Preserve, which is temporarily closed to preserve rare plants. The Vistas are in close proximity to tons of shopping, including Northwest Hardware, circa 1971. Don't let the size of this place fool you. It's got tons of hardware and the service is great. As well as shopping in the Arboretum and 360 area with Saks Fifth Avenue and Nordstrom Rack. With a short drive, the newly developed Domain Shopping Center boasts higher-end retail and fine dining. The County Line Barbecue on Lake Austin is a short trip down 2222, an Austin staple in traditional Texas barbecue. Or head north to the Arboretum for great service, seafood, and steaks. The Vistas are also near other great restaurants such as Mirabelle and Musashino Sushi. The panoramic views of the distant hill country define the Vistas as a distinctly natural Northwest Austin neighborhood. Though downtown is only 20 minutes away, wildlife are abundant. The Vistas are mere minutes away from major highways, making commutes easy and convenient. Though the Vistas are a smaller neighborhood, there is a real sense of community amongst the residents of the area. Once again, I'm Maggie with Realty Austin. Thank you for allowing me to show you the Vistas.